Fourth quarter, last and final. Kabuinan, jersey and white. $55-57 on the score.
Ball just number 19.
Once again, this is under 15 open basketball tournament Diliha Barangay Kabuinan nitong Tanawan. Tolosa versus Kabuinan.
Hit.
1 point lead.
1 point.
Down na luwag with 4-3.
Shot clock is 14. Basket.
5.
Basket is good. Foul jersey number 41. Jersey number 41, Kadis, you have 2. Personal foul. 2 foul. Kabuinan. Basket. Single Benevi, 6-1. Mabilis para sa Kabuinan ang nagdadala. Pass sa jersey number 19, 14 to shoot. Bigay kay Kadis, wala. Nakuha ang naka-blue. Permejo. So, Puticano, 14 to shoot. Sumayaw. Pass to jersey number 28, correct. Game block at 61.
Parehas na score, 61.
8 minutos, 5 segundos. Mabili, dumidiskarte. May traveling, 10 pagod yan. Permejo to Puticano. Sumayaw, 14 to shoot. Ipinilit, pass to jersey number 28, nag-fake, pero may block kay Kadis. Nakuha pa rin ni Permejo.
Change favor.
63, change favor. 63, 61. Mabili, mga kalabaw. Mabili, nasuntukan. Jersey number 21, Permejo.
2 points lead by Tolosa.
Time out, Kabuinan. 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Baro na para sa Kabuinan. Pass to 5. To Kadis, na-intercept. Puticano.
6 points lead by Tolosa.
Baro na para sa Kabuinan. 14 to shoot. Postengo, pull up jumper, wala. Nakuha ni Cases. Andun kay Mabini. Wala pa rin. May whistle, may foul. Second personal foul, first team foul, next gen. Bonus na them, basket. 6 minutes and 45, barahan last quarter.
3 points lead na.
Punti Calor sa Bermejo. Tumabol ng 3, wala yan.
67-64.
Jersey number 7 para sa kawinan, Barona. Pass to Cases. Tumukol ng 3, wala. Nakuha ni jersey number 19. Ang hanap ng kakampi, pero silang track. Connect. 69-64. Barona for 10 to shoot. Mabini. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Shot clock is 14. May whistle, may foul, basket is good. Soldiers number 7, pushing foul. Up by 3. Lane violation by Goanet Ring. Five minutes and 34.
5 minutes 34.
Fourteen to shoot. Five minutes and 50. Barona para sa kawinan, nagtitimon, binigay kay Cases, pero may huling na. Foul jersey number 19 holding foul. 3 team foul. 3 personal foul. Chance to shoot.
Concede.
Foul jersey number 16. 4 fouls, 2 warning for disqualification. 3 team foul. Kawinan. 5 minutos. For 10 to shoot. Barona nagtitimon, bigay kay Logroño. Naganap ng pagkahan, pero nakuha ni Barona. Itinira, wala. Nakuha ni Mabilip. Wala. Jersey number 7, warning for penalty. Next gen. First attempt basket. Taisin City, Taisin Navy. Next gen up by 2. From Mr. Referee. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Huli niya pa. Ito na, Binjo!
May whistle si Mr. Referee. Basket, deadlock. 4 minutos.
4 minutes.
Deadlock at 69. Sormio. Naganap ng pasahan. Three. Sayang. Violation. 3 minutos, 47 segundos. Balano, tumugol ng 3. Bingo! Timeout. Nagden Salasa. Shoot. 10 to shoot. Shot clock is 10. Shot clock is 8.
Siya.
Three minutes and 10 seconds. Mabuli para sa kabuyan. Mabuli ng alabaw. Ininira, wala. Nakuha na kami. Wala. Super Leo. 2 points. 7-1. 7-2. Balano na naman tumukol ng 3. Wala.
One point lead.
Ang liwat. 73-72. Balano. Miscommunication. Tapos sa referee. 2 minutos 8 segundos.
Lamang line no sa itong tulos ha. 2 minutos 8 segundos.
Last 2 minutes. Basket.
3 points lead by Tolosa. Time out, Kabuyanan.
1 minute and 51 seconds.
1 minute and 51 seconds.
Score 75-72.
Bola itong Tolosa. Back to the ball game.
One minute and 1 minute and 25 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Basket. 74-75, 1 minute and 5 seconds. Second to play, 14 to shoot. 13 to shoot, 55 segundos.
55 seconds.
Time out. Next game. 13 to shoot, shot clock is starting. Ten to shoot. Cuarenta y cinco segundos, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 to shoot, 3. Shot clock is 3. Shot clock is 3. Shot clock is 3. 3 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Shot clock is 14. Kanina din fourth quarter. Fourth quarter, kalang kabulan kayo fourth quarter. Shot clock is 14. 35 segundos. 10 to shoot. 30. 5 to shoot. 23 segundos. Shot clock is off.
23 segundos.
Seconds. 3.6 seconds. Good fun. 2.8 seconds. 2.8 seconds. 2.8 seconds.
2.8 seconds.
2.8 seconds.
Woo! 1 point na. Dog, Tolosa. Winner, Tolosa. 1 point la.
475. 1 point lang.
Picture. Final score, pera? 74-75.